Hey, is it time to replace your RC vehicle bearings? Hey, RC enthusiasts. Are you experiencing strange noises, decreased performance, or wobbly wheels on your RC vehicle? It might be time to give your bearings some attention. When to replace bearings? If you notice excessive play, rough rotation, or a grinding sound when spinning the wheels, it's a telltale sign that your bearings are worn out. Regular wear and tear, dirt, moisture, or heavy usage can all contribute to bearing deterioration. Why it's important. Upgrading your bearings can significantly enhance your RC vehicle's performance and durability. Here's why it's worth considering. 1. Smoother operation. Fresh bearings ensure smooth wheel rotation, minimizing friction and allowing your vehicle to glide effortlessly. Experience improves speed, acceleration, and overall handling on any terrain. 2. Longer battery life. Worn-out bearings can strain your motor and drain precious battery power. Replacing them reduces energy consumption, giving you extended playtime for more thrilling RC adventures. 3. Enhanced durability. New bearings offer increased protection to vital components by reducing vibrations and preventing excess stress. Enjoy longer lifespan for your motor, gears, and axles, saving you repair costs in the long run. And finally, number 4. Precision control. Now, who doesn't want that? When your bearings are in top shape, you'll have better control over your RC vehicle's steering and maneuverability. This translates to more precise turns, improved cornering, and an overall smoother driving experience. I know I want that for sure. Upgrading tips. In our next video, we will discuss some upgrading tips and some options to consider when replacing your bearings in your RC vehicles. Until next time, keep the thrills alive and the wheels spinning. Stay tuned for more adrenaline-fueled RC adventures. Happy racing, fellow enthusiasts!